Hello. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. But
Okay.
can you say louder?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear.
Okay, so is it okay right now?
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay, so
We
hi.
start.
Okay. By the way, my name is Teacher Shen. What's your name?
My name is Tùng.
Tao. All right. So, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, you're fine. What did you do today? Hmm? What did you do today? Today is Saturday, right? What did
Yes.
you do?
What did you do?
Yeah, what did you do?
Play game and watch TV.
See, he's
And
shy.
play basketball.
Okay. Oh, you're watching TV. Oh, what sport do you do?
What sport do you do?
Yeah, do you
Thể
like
thao nào?
sport?
What sport? Môn thể thao. I want to play football.
All right, he wants to play football. Okay, don't be shy.
Some
You speak to teacher. You talk to teacher, okay? Okay, so
he always smile.
oh, you always smile. Okay, don't be shy to teacher, huh? Just tell me. You talk to me, okay?
Yeah. You
Okay,
learn with
so
teacher.
are you ready? Bye bye, mommy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, do you have books?
Mm,
Do you have books? Hmm?
yes.
Oh, you have books now because our topic for today is about books. Okay, let's have the different kinds of books. Oh, can you tell me what are the books that you know? Different kinds of books.
Um,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, what are the different kinds of book? Do you have your do you have an English book? Do you have a book?
yes.
Okay, yes, you have a book. Now, do you know comic book? Do you know comic books? Have you tried reading a comic book? Okay, wait. Okay, because we will be talking about books today. Okay, but first, here is our topic. What kind of book is your favorite?
What kind of book is your favorite?
Okay, what kind of book is your favorite? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Okay,
What kind of book your is your favorite?
okay, so what is your favorite book?
Hmm.
What is your
I
favorite?
don't
Okay, you don't have any favorite books right now. So, first, let's discuss first the pronunciation. How, oh, and let's have this minimal parts of oh pears. Thin. Can you say thin? This.
dance this.
Okay, thin. That's thin. Thin.
Uh,
Thin.
thin,
Yeah, it's thin like this. It's very thin. Thin. And this is example of this. Okay. Thin and this. Now next word we have toss and dough.
and dough,
Yeah, this is the word toss and this is dough. Okay, say it to me, please. Toss,
soft
dough.
dough,
Okay, good job. Now, next word. Them, a theme on them. Theme,
thêm, them,
them. Okay, very good. Theme, them. Now, let's proceed. Thank, done. This is thank and done.
thank, đàn,
Okay, thank like thank you. Okay, like that. That's thank and done. Now, next word. Both with. This is
có,
both and with. Both
có,
with. Uh,
có, green,
okay, with. Next part, thing and this. Okay, thing, this,
this,
this, thing, this.
thing, this,
Okay, okay, just repeat after me. Example of a sentence. Think, think before you talk. So word think before you talk. Okay, can you repeat?
think before you talk.
Okay, it's what you are thinking. Okay, example number 2. I think, I think
I think
we're better, we're
we're,
better
we're better
than them.
than them.
Okay, now last sentence. Thank you for bringing them.
Thank
You
you, thank
for
you for
for bringing
bringing them.
them. Okay, good job. Now let's proceed to the next slide. Vocabulary of books. Okay, as you can see, these are an example of romance book. Can you say romance?
Romance,
Romance.
romance,
Wait. Uh,
Romance.
romance,
Romance.
romance. Okay, romance book. Wait, I'm going to. Okay. It's a love story. Okay, romance book are stories about love. That's called romance. Okay, Romance book are stories about love. Remember that, okay? Okay, what is romance book? Are stories about
About
love.
love.
Okay, those are romance book. Okay, and these are the example of romance book. We have Star-Crossed. What is this? Mini Dark, Chat Factor. Okay, these are books that has a love stories. Okay, have you read any love any romance book? No. Okay, these are books that are examples of romance book. Now, let's proceed to the second kind of book.
Romance.
It's what is this?
Fiction.
These are fiction books. Okay, do you know what are fiction books? No. Okay, let's find out what is fiction book.
Fiction book.
Right. Can you repeat?
Fiction.
Fiction. Okay. Fiction. Fiction books are stories. Wait. Are stories that are stories of people, places, or things that are not true. Okay? Fiction books are stories about people, places, or things that are not true. Okay? Okay?
Fiction book are story of people,
Places
places,
or or things
things that
that are
are not
not
true.
true. Okay, good job. Now, let's proceed to the other kind of book. The
Fiction.
next one is, oh, it's non-fiction.
Nonfiction.
Okay, so the fiction books are stories about people, place, and things that are not true, right? What about fiction books? Non-fiction books are stories. Wait, I'm going to write. Okay, so if the fiction books are stories that are not true, well, the non-fiction books are stories that are based on fact or based on a true stories. Okay? Okay.
Non-fiction book are stories
Refers
refer
to
to
literature,
mistake
literature
literature
based
by in
fact.
fact.
Okay, good job. Now let's proceed to the other kind of book.
Nonfiction.
It's self-help.
Self-help.
Okay, self-help books. What can you say about self-help books? Can you tell me? Okay, self-help books are one that is written with the intention to instruct. Oh, wait, to instruct its readers on solving personal problems. Okay, from the word self-help, that is a book that has instructions that can help you solving your personal problems. Okay, those are self-help books. Okay, can you read
Self-help.
self
Self-help.
self-help? Self help help
Self-help.
help. Okay, can you read the definition? Uh,
One that a Christian
written
with the
intention
intention
to
to
instruct
instruct its
readers
readers on
on solving
solving
personal problems. Okay, good job. Now let's proceed to the other
Self-help.
book. Oh, what is this?
Detective.
These are,
Detective.
can you read?
Detective.
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 Yeah, detective. So these are books about stories about detectives. Do you know Detective Conan? Do you know Detective Conan? Detective Detective Conan is what a story. He is Conan is this. Wait. I'm going to put. This is Conan, and he plays in a role of being a detective. He solved many cases on that story. Okay, detective books is a story about a detective that solves that investigate cases like crimes and murders. Okay, those are books that will teach you about how to solve or how to become a detective in order to solve a crime or murders. Okay. Okay, just wait. Now let's proceed to the next slide.
Detective.
Can you say it again? Detective.
Detective.
Okay, detective. Now, what is this?
Comic.
Comic. These are comics. Comic book.
Comic.
Have you read any comic book? Have you tried reading a comic book?
Yes.
Oh, what is the comic book that you have you have read it?
Comic.
Okay. It is, what is a comic book? It is a magazine that presents a serialized story. Okay, serialized story in the form of comic stripe, typically featuring the adventures of the superhero. Okay, so that is a definition of a comic book. Now, can you read it for me? Comic.
Comic
Okay, it is.
is
Wait, a magazine. That's a
a
magazine. Magazine that presents
magazine that's present
serialized, serialized,
children's
serialized
story
story in the form of
of
comic
music, comic strip,
strip,
uh,
typically
typically
featuring
featuring
the
the
adventures
picture
of the
of
superhero.
a hero.
Okay, so that is comic book. Okay, now let's proceed.
comic,
Oh, what are this? These are horror
horror,
stories. Okay, example of horror books. Do you like horror stories? Do you like horror?
No,
No. Why? Are you scared? Are you scared? No, are you scared? Me too. I don't like it. Okay, horror books are stories that are intended to frighten, scare, or disgust, or startle its readers. Okay, there are also horror movies like Conjuring. Do you watch horror movies? Horror movies. Do you watch horror movies? No?
no.
Okay, so what are the movies that you watch that you like to watch? Mm. Can you give me an example? Okay, can you give me an example of a movie that you like to watch? Do you watch movies? You don't know. Do you watch TV?
Yes.
Oh, so what do you like to watch in the TV? Cartoons? Do you like cartoon movies?
I don't know.
Oh, do you watch what is that movie called? Do you watch Dragon Ball?
Mm,
No? You don't watch Dragon Ball movies in the TV? So what are the movies that you like to watch?
uh,
What are the movies that you like to watch? Okay, okay, I just want you to read this. Horror.
horror.
Okay. This is our stories that are intended to. Can you read it?
Story. That's the is the
Intended
intended
to
to
frighten,
frighten,
scare,
scare,
disgust,
scared,
or
or
startle its readers.
it reader.
Uh,
Reader.
okay, good job. Now let's
Oh,
proceed to the other kind of book. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the type of each book? Harry Potter. What is the type of, what do you think is this kind of book? Okay. Harry Potter is an example of a fiction book. Okay. Detective Conan is an example of a comic book. That's an example. And this one here in the third book is called a romance book. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, do you have a question? No? Okay, now let's proceed to the next slide. Choose the correct answer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Books that are very shocking or frightening. What is that kind of book that makes you frightened? Is it horror, detective, romance, or comic? What's your answer? Books that will make you frightened or shocked. That will book that will make you scared. What is it? Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, what is it? Okay, books that are very shocking and frightening is called horror book. Okay, that's horror book. Now let's proceed to the next question. Book that contains a set of stories told in pictures with small amount of writing. Okay, was it? What is it? Those are. Those are. Okay, those are comic book. Okay, now let's proceed to the next picture. Question number 3. The type of book or other writing that deals with facts about real people, events, and not imaginary stories. Okay, the example that I told you, I explained it to you last minute ago that this book is talking about stories that are based on fact or based that stories that are true. Okay, what is it? Is it A, fiction, B, self-help, C, nonfiction, or D, romance? What is it? What's your answer? Okay, answer for that number is letter C. It's nonfiction. Okay, remember that. Now, the question number 4. I know. Let's proceed to grammar. Okay, this is how we're going to talk about the category name, how to introduce the book. Okay, what are their contents, the introduction, and we have also here the listen after reading the book. Okay, introduction story. Use present simple tense. Do you know what are present simple tense? You don't know? Okay, now content. Introduction of the book is you should tell about the main character. if you're going to write a book, you need to tell them who is the character, okay? Who will be the superhero? What will be his name? And then you're going to tell what happened in the story, okay? Main events, we have conclusion, and which is the summary of the lesson after reading this story. Oh, okay, wait. Here's your homework. Okay, I want you to write the new words in your notebook. Write in your notebook the name of the books, okay? I will ask Miss Pam to send you the link so that you can watch again this video and you will write the name of the books, okay? Okay. Now, I I guess we're going to end our class because I have another student waiting for me. So, thank you. Nice meeting you. And I hope to see you soon again. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.